This year, the County Executive's Office focused on strengthening regional partnerships, identifying organizational needs, and also deepening community engagement. Alongside our police and fire rescue departments, we conducted a comprehensive public safety staffing study. This provides a data-driven roadmap to support workforce stability and ensure our emergency response keeps pace with community expectations. We also expanded opportunities for residents to connect directly with the county staff. Through community town halls held across the county, residents were able to share what mattered most to them and speak one-on-one with staff from every county department. This year, we also advanced our organization-wide continuity of operations planning, ensuring we continue essential services should our community or organization experience challenges and disruptions. And finally, we strengthened partnerships locally, regionally, and with state and federal agencies to support key initiatives, including Ravenna Futures, transportation improvements, emergency management, and other projects that directly impact our community.
We are celebrating transformational milestones for Albemarle County's local economy. The board adopted the new Economic Development Strategic Plan, which outlines priority industry sectors, workforce strategies, and our approach to business attraction, retention, and expansion. When we're successful, we support companies to create jobs, diversify the tax base, and support a resilient economy. The big news in 2025 was that AstraZeneca will invest $4.5 billion to build 2 manufacturing facilities at Ravenna Futures, in what will be their largest global manufacturing site. This project positions Albemarle as a national leader in life sciences manufacturing. This builds on momentum generated by the new Commonwealth Bioaccelerator and the groundbreaking of Afton Scientific for their $200 million 200-job expansion. At the Ravenna Futures property, we celebrated $11 million in grant awards that will allow us to spend time in 2026 extending utilities and preliminary earthwork. Throughout this year and into next, our focus remains on creating the conditions for businesses to thrive and delivering long-term economic opportunity for our community.
This year marked a major modernization for the county's financial systems. We successfully launched the Tyler ERP Financial Management System, our first major upgrade in more than a decade. This system upgrade consolidates multiple legacy systems, allowing departments to complete their financial transactions and have access to reporting all in one platform. Following a comprehensive training program across the organization, we've already seen more efficient processing and improved accuracy in daily financial operations. Procurement also launched the new Vendor Access Portal. This portal makes it easier for vendors to access their transaction history, including purchase order status, invoices, and checks, thereby reducing the need for internal follow-up and improving our customer service. Together, these improvements strengthen financial accuracy, streamline daily processes, and support a more efficient, accountable government.
The Albemarle County Police Department continued to strengthen public safety response and community relationships this year.
ACPD partnered with Aquila to develop an in-house fitness coordinator program and invest in officer wellness that supports readiness and resilience. We launched NeighborLink to work with residents to address crime. Residents can register their exterior home security cameras with our detectives so they can quickly identify where potential footage may be available during an investigation. ACPD officers partnered with the Charlottesville Police Department to host a safe worship workshop, where more than 80 faith leaders from around the state receive safety training and resources to support their congregations. The department also achieved accreditation on December 4th, reflecting our ongoing commitment to professional standards, accountability, and continuous improvement. With everything we do, and during tens of thousands of calls for service we receive each year, ACPD officers remain focused on our community by providing compassionate and professional service every day.
This year, the CDD team advanced major initiatives that strengthened customer service, modernized our systems, and supported long-term planning across Albemarle County. We launched the Enterprise Permitting and Licensing System, including the new Civic Access Portal, giving residents and businesses a more reliable and user-friendly way to apply for permits, track applications, and communicate with staff. The Board of Supervisors also adopted AC 44, the county's updated comprehensive plan. This milestone reflects 4 years of community engagement and collaboration and sets the long-range policy framework that will guide land use, housing, and transportation planning for the next 20 years. We continued work on the 3-Notch Trail Master Plan, supporting regional partners and advancing planning for a safe, connected, multi-use corridor from Charlottesville to Crozet and beyond. Across all of this work, our department delivered professional, responsive services and planning for our community.
In support of our mission to attract and retain committed public servants, the Human Resources Department concentrated this year on enhancing employee well-being and strengthening the foundations of our workforce through updated policies and expanded training. This year's most significant milestone was the opening of the Albemarle Employee Care Clinics, which, for the first time, provide employees and their families with holistic, convenient, and affordable medical care tailored to support their overall health and well-being. Another key initiative included a comprehensive review of key personnel policies, updated essential procedures, and enhanced training requirements to strengthen workforce capability across the organization. These efforts are designed to ensure our nearly 1,000 employees are equipped with the guidance, skills, and support needed to deliver high-quality services to the Albemarle community every day.
This year, the Albemarle County Information Technology Department faced a year of challenges and successes with resilience and professionalism. IT delivered several major initiatives that modernize how our organization operates and how we serve the community, including a new financial system, a new community development system, a time and attendance system, which all streamlined the user experience. This year also brought significant challenges. Our organization responded to a major cyber incident that tested our resilience and readiness. IT staff acted swiftly and responsibly, minimizing impacts for our customers and our residents. Through it all, leadership, dedicated staff, our partner agencies, and our community stakeholders demonstrated dedication and professionalism in the face of a challenging situation. We remain focused on building secure, reliable, and innovative technology solutions that support our mission and serve the needs of the community.
Human Services collaborated with community partners, nonprofits, and county departments to improve community well-being and access to resources. The Broadband Office celebrated Digital Inclusion Week with programs and resources focused on closing the digital divide and helping residents stay connected. In partnership with Charlottesville and UVA, the Office of Equity and Inclusion released the county's Well-Being Report, providing data and insights that help departments and partners understand local conditions and improve outcomes for residents. We also made progress in affordable housing this year. The county established dedicated tax revenue for future initiatives, and the first project advanced through the Affordable Rental Housing Incentives Program, which provides support and a tax incentive for developments that include affordable units. Across Human Services, our work is centered on improving access, removing barriers, and supporting residents where they are.
2025 marked major progress across Albemarle County parks. Biscuit Run Park, Albemarle County's largest public park at 1,200 acres, completed its first full year open to the public, and since opening in December 2024, the park has welcomed more than 120,000 visitors. While the park is open, work continues to bring additional amenities online, including expansion of the trail network, development of athletic fields, steady progress on the future downhill bike park, and a trailhead pedestrian bridge and parking on Hickory Street. This project will allow public access from the west side of the park. This year, we also continued planning for two urban pocket parks, Charlotte Humphreys Park and Hillsdale Park. Community meetings helped shape the early design concept for both parks, which will expand across the green space into two growing areas of the county. And also the right down the river, we transformed Freebridge Lane from a pilot promenade to a permanent pedestrian and cyclist space, including a new half-mile greenway waterfront connection that's accessible to all abilities. Through these projects, Parks and Recreation continue to expand recreational opportunity and experience and protect the natural spaces the community loves.
This past year, the Department of Social Services has focused on providing essential services and strengthening community partnerships. We launched a cleaning supplies drive to support local families facing risk factors that can affect a child's healthy development and well-being. This effort also filled a gap by collecting items not typically available through food banks or covered by food assistance programs. We developed the Community Resource Database, giving residents and providers a single place to find local support for housing, food, healthcare, and other services. Through the Albemarle County Emergency Relief Program, we helped 419 households with a total of $349,477 in support between January 1st and October 31st. During the federal government shutdown, our eligibility staff stayed closely attuned to evolving guidance around SNAP benefits. They worked directly with clients to provide accurate information and empathetic customer service during a period of uncertainty. Through these efforts, DSS continues to strengthen families and connect residents with the resources they need.
Albemarle County Fire Rescue continued to grow community connections and improve emergency responses in 2025. We launched Community Connect, giving residents a simple way to share critical household information with first responders before an emergency. More than 800 households registered in the first 2 months, helping our crews arrive to incidents better informed. We strengthened staff development through recruit school, specialty training, and our largest paramedic school class to date, which had a 100% pass rate. We also completed a major renovation to the Fire Training Center, supported in part by grant funding. Operationally, new services began serving the southern part of the county with dedicated staffing and a 24/7 engine in Scottsville Station 17. And in emergency management, we secured $500,000 in grant funding to support radiological preparedness and flood mitigation. Through training, prevention, and community engagement, ACFR continues to prepare for the future and serve the community with professionalism and care.
Facilities and Environmental Services advanced an exciting program of capital and environmental projects. We opened the new General District Courthouse in partnership with the City of Charlottesville, moving our judicial functions into modern, accessible, secure facility. This was Phase 1 of the Courts Complex project, and the team has already begun work on Phase 2. Phase 2 includes the renovation of the historic courthouse building. At Biscuit Run Park, we completed key elements of a project restoring approximately 1 entire mile of stream corridor, improving water quality, stabilizing stream banks, and supporting long-term ecological health. We're even beginning to see signs of wildlife returning to the restored stream. In Crozet, we completed improvements to Crozet Square, enhancing pedestrian access, parking, and the overall visitor experience. Throughout construction, the team coordinated closely with local businesses and supported the Shop the Square campaign to encourage continued visit during the project. Across all projects, our focus remains on delivering high-quality services and sustainable infrastructure that support county operations and the community we serve.